The journey of life. Life. Isn't it really wonderful and really colorful? Isn't it? I don't know about you, but I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's a really wonderful ride. Maybe it's splendid for someone, or maybe it's devastating and criticizing for someone. Maybe someone is enjoying his or her life, or maybe someone is still crying for what is their motive in life. Maybe someone knows what is their resolution in life, and even there is someone too who really doesn't know what is the life all about. Maybe someone is having a partner who really loves you till eternity, and maybe there is also someone who's still searching to have them one in their life. There is also someone who is waiting for the doors of opportunity to seek in their life. But there is also someone who is building his own opportunity of roads to be the one who he wishes. Maybe today someone is living their best life while someone is still on the brisk of shattered life and anxiety. It's our life, sweetheart. Maybe it's bitter or sweet. You must keep enjoying those moments because life is too short, man. You never know what life has got for you. You said you lost your aim, yeah? If you want that freaking moment, if you want that moment back, just rebuild, redesign, and reclaim yourself, what you are in your life. Because there's only one person who really knows you really well is you yourself. Maybe life doesn't go according to your plans sometimes. Maybe life doesn't give you what is your outcomes that you wish. Maybe life doesn't fulfills that what you need. But maybe that we can just work on it and achieve what we really deserve in life. Because there is no one who's going to stop from you what you wish. There's only one person who can achieve, that is you yourself. So, here's one thing is to focus and reclaim yourself. Because in this one world, there's one person who understands you, that's you. Claim that person inside you, and believe me, you're gonna rock this world if you have that patience. Even Swami Vivekananda once said, if you don't talk to yourself daily, you're simply missing the best person inside you always. Claim that person. Never let that go away. Never let that wonderful moments go away due to this. If you have a chance, snatch it, brother. Just snatch it. Just go ahead and have that moment. Go and be the king of your own kingdom of life. I know there might be some troubleshoots in that particular whole procedure. I know there might be some pain to adjust those things. But trust me, that little bit of pain, that little bit of dedication, that little bit of hard work would be the best way to overcome all those outcomes and the obstacles coming towards your life. You have that moment. You need to build it. So, this is the moment that you can change. There's only 1 minute required to change yourself, to implement yourself like what you want in your life. You can believe that. So, if you have a chance, go for a change. Don't change for others, change for yourself.